what I learned from this program is that it's way over my expectations. Because besides professional knowledge of taking care of the elders and the basic methods for like doing all the cares, I also learned a lot from the teacher's practical experiences, because she has been over 30 years experience that. Yes, during the class, she will show us that what's really happened in practical and the real world. And then we can be, like for me, I was so new at this area, so I kind of be ready for the next step when I was doing the clinical placement, even for the work. So besides that, I learned a lot from the assignments and teamwork from the class too. She will encourage us to help each other, not just for study, for practice, for teamwork, for assignments. So that kind of helped me, like knowing that if I'm gonna go to this field, I know the teamwork and communication is quite important. And after the interview, I really feel appreciative of my teacher, Trish and Abby. They help us to be well prepared. So I'm not that nervous at the interview. It's all because of them. Yes, and I really appreciate that Health PEI give us this opportunity. Yes, I'm definitely very happy and I learned a lot.
I learned a whole lot about taking care of people who cannot take care of themselves, which gives me a lot of confidence in my future, as previously I was worried about my parents, my grandparents, how I was going to take care of them and provide for them. But now I have all the necessary skills that I will need to take care of them whenever it comes to the point that they aren't able to take care of themselves.
My name is Braden Van Asperen. It's been a very humbling experience getting to work with elderly residents and people nearing the end of their life. And I've learned all kinds of valuable skills like general persuasive approach, which is something that I've carried with me everywhere in my life. Like, it's actually amazing how applicable some of the techniques we've learned in this class are, not just to the work, but to life around the work too. Yeah, and that's one of the things I've really enjoyed about this program was kind of, it's not just about taking care of the residents, it's about a lifestyle, about working as a team, and about building skills that you can take with you everywhere, which is really cool. I've learned a lot about myself, my ability to be responsible, be organized, and be prepared through this program, and that's really cool too. Tricia's a great instructor. She's done a lot for us to make sure that we gain the skills we needed to succeed, which is really important.
So, are you ready for the job?
I sure am. Yeah, I'm very excited for it. Yeah.